Okay, here we go. Number 11 on page 370. An airplane is traveling north 60 degrees east with a resultant ground speed of 205 kilometers per hour. The nose of the plane is actually pointing east with an airspeed of 212 kilometers per hour. What is the wind direction? And what is the wind speed? Okay, so let's take a look at that. Alright, so if we draw the diagram, we get this here. So there's north. Okay, the resultant is going to be heading north 60 degrees towards the east, and the plane is heading east, so we can put those in. And we need to know which direction the wind is going. Well, we need to complete this triangle because there's a resultant. So the plane is heading this way, east. The wind is going to have to head back this way, north and towards the west a certain amount. Okay, so this is the wind vector right here. Okay, if that's 60 degrees, then that must be 30 degrees in our triangle. We can solve for this angle in here, this theta, and then subtract it from 90 to get the wind direction, or we can use the angle theta, either way. So in this, we're going to find the wind speed first. So it's easier to do part B because the wind speed is just finding the magnitude of W. And because we have the angle contained between two given sides, we're going to use the cosine law. So the cosine law, when we plug that in, we get 108.14 kilometers per hour for the wind. That's a pretty fast wind, but sometimes the winds are pretty strong up high and for planes to deal with. Okay, so to answer part B, the wind speed is 108.14 kilometers per hour. So part A, if we want to find the direction of the wind, well, we can use the sine law here. So we get sine of theta over 205 equals sine of 30 over 108.14. Okay, so sine theta over 205, which is, so theta is there, 205 is the magnitude of the resultant, and then equals sine 30 over the magnitude of the wind, which we just found out is 108.14. Okay. Plug that all in, you solve it, and you get theta equal to 71.4 degrees. And then alpha is 90 minus 71.4, which is 18.6 degrees. And you can give the direction as north 18.6 degrees west, or you could have left it as west 71.4 degrees north. And do math, not math.